Your family, your health, and your home are important to you, and that means it's important to us. It's our mission to help you care for the things that really matter by providing you with the safest, most effective products available. We believe that an ingredient list should be simple and natural. That's why you won't find items like dyes, phosphates, petroleum chemicals, or chemical preservatives listed on the label. You can have peace of mind knowing everyone in your home, from your kids to your pets, is as safe as they are clean. Using products like ours is not only good for you, but it's good for our planet too. By avoiding the use of harmful additives, we reduce the amount of synthetic chemicals that get put back into the water system we use every day. We are committed to reducing our environmental impact by only using sustainable plant-based materials in our products. We hope you'll allow us to help you create a home that is happy and healthy for you and your family.